Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
I've lost track. I don't know what day this is, but today we are checking out of this Airbnb and we're going to take a bullet train to Seoul. So in the afternoon we'll be in Seoul, which is the capital of Korea. In the bullet train to Seoul, it's about 2 hours away. So I'm gonna give you a quick apartment tour of this Airbnb that we stayed in for a couple days. So this is the bathroom. This is a cupboard area. There is a walk-in shower. This is the toilet and the sink. This is the entrance. Right at the entrance there is a glass. You guys checking out, so we have our stuff right here and garbage. But yeah, so this is the entrance. Right at the entrance there is the bathroom. Here, I don't know, this was locked. I think this is like a storage here for the owner of the building. Right here is a storage area, ironing board, iron, stuff like that. This is like a storage. I don't know what this is. It's like a storage area. Below is the microwave, and then towel. I don't know what's here. Empty. And here, the water, I'm a pine. Whose water is this? Yeah, do you remember it?
I remembered it and then I forgot.
So this is my pine.
So,
This is the refrigerator.
oh dear me.
Okay, so the fridge is here, and then the freezer is down here. Take out the water.
The frozen water in this. In the bottle. But me no. We call it the hook. Yeah, it's undone. Which one?
The refrigerator is down here. Then across from this, there is the kitchen. Also, this is washing machine, the sink, cupboards. And then you have the bedroom. So we have 2 beds here. There is the TV, which I haven't even turned on. And this is the desk area. So I'm gonna show you guys the outside of this apartment. So there's a parking lot here, and there's also, we can see the sea from here at night. This bridge, let me show you this bridge here. It actually lights up at night, and over there is the Busan station. So we're literally across the road from the station, which is so convenient for us. Yeah, so this is our last day in Busan. It's raining actually. I think there's a typhoon nearby. Okay, so that's it for the apartment tour. Nicolette and Vanessa getting ready to leave. Yeah, that's it. This is the first time I'm taking a bullet train. I'm so excited. So cool. Guys, so we are in Seoul. This is our Airbnb in Seoul. So I'm gonna give you a quick Airbnb tour. This is the front door. Right here is like a closet area with shoes, ironing board, iron, umbrellas. This is the storage area. Next to it we have this closet area which is empty. Over here we have mirror. Next we have the bathroom. There is a walk-in shower, a toilet with many different buttons, which I don't know what they're for. Different functions. The sink. Is this like, I don't know. Let me leave it. But yeah, this thing. And then next we have, this is the refrigerator. You'd never know, don't it? Never know. So here is the fridge. And then below we have the freezer section. That is the seating area. And then we have the kitchen, sink, cupboards. Then we have the beds. Nicolette. Big TV. Shelf thingy. And then we have, I don't know what this is. What is this? I don't know what this is, but we have 3 stools. This is closet. And then here is locked. I don't know. This is like a table. Maybe this is to hang your clothes. I don't know. This is the view, outside view of our room. That's the end of the apartment tour. We are walking the streets of Seoul right now. Vanessa and Nicolette are in the back, but yeah, we're going to try and find somewhere to eat. It's raining right now because there is a typhoon heading to Japan, something like that. So Korea is getting affected. But yeah, that's that. We found this self-service restaurant place, so we ordered. We're waiting on the food to come. These two on their phones as always. This is chicken and pork.